2002, his plot was destroyed and a structure was also destroyed during road opening. Is concerned that during the road opening by the time of Parabon Sub-County stroke Kalongo Town Council, I'm 1 year in the Kalongo Town Council as the town clerk. I'm not yet faced up with this complaint. I've just got it here. As the complainants put it, we shall find out whether the road opening took place during Parabon Sub-County time or Kalongo Town Council, because these two government units in the question. That's one. Two, he put it, the plot destroyed stroke a structure. I do not know whether it is a plot or a structure. It is not clear in the question. So, Mr. Sanawila, we shall request you to bring for us the building plan that you have, such that we look through whether that structure has a building plan or not. But in as far as the town council is concerned, we have not yet received any fund relating to compensation yet. All the town councils, including Batoro Town Council, and I'm aware a similar complaint is also in other town councils. But this kind of matters, it is also better to come to the office, you bring to the attention, then we handle it accordingly. As a new person, it is not easy to quickly rush into conclusion before analyzing the detail of what you really have as a grievances. Thank you.